Everyone. So today we're going to be doing for math lesson 7.3. 7.3 is on page 345, 345. So 7.3, you're going to get your book ready. And today we're going to work on our essential question, which is how do you order coins? How do you put coins in the order to help you find the total value of a group of coins? So we're going to take some coins today. We're going to put them in order from the greatest value to the least value. So the coin that's worth the most is going to go first. And then we're going to line them up in order from the largest to the smallest in terms of how much they're worth. So I'm going to reach into my jar of coins here. And I'm going to take out a few different coins. Let me get a couple of coins to use. Here we go. Okay, so right here I pulled out these coins, okay, and in this box over here, I'm going to line up those coins in order from the coins that are worth the most money to the coin that's worth the least money. So I see that I have a quarter, I have a penny, I have another penny, and I have another quarter, right? So I remember that a penny is worth 1, a nickel is worth 5, a dime is worth 10, and a quarter 25. So I know that the quarter is worth the most. So I have a quarter, and I have another quarter. And then I have my pennies. Those are worth the least amount. Those are only worth 1. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw in those coins. So I'm going to draw my quarter and label it 25 cents. And another quarter, and I'm going to label that 25 cents. And then I'm going to make my 2 pennies. My pennies are worth 1. And 1. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do when we count different types of coins is to line them up in order from the one that's worth the most down to the one that's worth the least. Okay, I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to reach in and take a couple of more coins. Okay. All right, let's see what I have here. Ooh, see some pennies, I see 2 quarters, and I see a dime. Right? So I'm going to take them, I'm going to line them up in order from the coin that's worth the most to the coin that's worth the least. So I have 2 quarters. Those are worth the most because those are worth 25. My dime is worth 10 cents, and my pennies are only worth 1. That's the least. So now I'm going to draw those out. 25 cents, 25 cents, 10 cents, 1 cent, and 1 cent. Okay, and remember, if I'm going a little bit fast for you, all you have to do is press pause, and you can draw your coins in. Okay, so if you're not ready to go on to the next page yet, you just hit pause, you draw in your coins, and then you can continue to the next page. All right, so now we're going to go on to page 346. And the first thing that it says to do is to order the coins from the greatest value to the least value, just like we just did. Liv, maybe you want to stand up and hold it so they can see it a little bit better. There you go. My camera assistant here needs a little help.
Arm hurts.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so here's our group of coins here. So just like I had pulled out from my jar some coins, they have some right here. So the first thing that we want to do is take the coins and put them in order from the greatest to the least value. So they have 2 quarters here. Remember, those are our quarters, right? 25 cents. And then here's a penny and here's another penny. So I could label those with a P. And then that's my dime. And actually, if you look closely, can you zoom in on that, Liv? It actually says right on there, 1 dime. You can look on the coins and it says what it is. See, this one says 1 cent. That means 1 penny. So the next thing that we want to do is just draw them out like in circles like we did. And next, we have to count them. So first we count by 25s. 25 cents, 50 cents. And then we have our dime, 25, 50. I'm going to label it underneath here. 25 cents. Now we have 50 cents and 10 more. 50 plus 10 more is 60 cents. And now I count on by ones. 61 cents, 62 cents. So the total value is 62 cents. Okay, now we'll do our share and show. Draw and label the coins from the greatest to the least value. Find the total value. And don't forget to write the cent sign. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to label what my coins are. My pennies are easy, right? Because those are the brown ones. Then I have 2 of these coins here. I know that this one right here is a quarter. And actually I see the word quarter on it. There's a quarter. I see this one actually says 5 cents on it. I know that that's a nickel. What do you think about this one here? That is a nickel also. Okay, so let's see. The greatest is the quarter, so I'm going to draw that out, 25 cents. I can even put a little check over here so that I know that I drew that. Then my nickels are 5 cents, so I have a 5 cents. Oh, another nickel, 5 cents. And 2 pennies. 1 cent, check. 1 cent, check. Now I'm going to count them. The quarter is 25 cents. Now I have 5 more. And I count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And 5 more, 35 cents. 1, 36 cents. And 1 more right here, 37 cents. That's my total amount, 37 cents. Right? Again, if I'm going too fast for you, just press pause and then catch up and then go to the next problem. All right, so I'm going to label my coins. Oh, that's easy, penny. Oh, I know that's my quarter. That says 1 dime, so I know that's a dime. And I know this is the front of the dime. And this one, I almost got confused, but I see it says 5 cents. That's my nickel. Now I'm going to line them up. The greatest value is the quarter, 25 cents. Oh, nickels or dime. Penny is worth 1. A nickel is worth 5. A dime is worth 10. That's the next one. 10 cents. Another dime. 10 cents. Next is my nickel, 5 cents. And finally my penny, 1 cent. Perfect. So now I can count them. 25 cents plus 10 more. Well, if I have 25 and I have another 10, that means I have 35 cents. And 10 more is 45 cents. And 5 more is 50 cents. And 1 more makes 51 cents in all. Okay. Last one here. Oh, I know this is my dime. 5 cents, there's my nickel. And I know these big coins over here are my quarters. So I have 2 quarters, a dime, and a nickel. 2 quarters. Check, check. A dime. 10 cents, and a nickel, 5 cents. Now I have to count them. I know 1 quarter is 25 cents, 2 quarters is 50 cents, 10 more, 50 and 10 more is 60 cents, plus 5, 60 plus 5 is 65 cents. There's my total, 65 cents. Okay, so this is the page that you're going to do on your own. Numbers 4 through 8. So the first thing that you should do is just like I did on the other page. Start by labeling your coins, then draw them out from the greatest value to the least, and then count up how much each of the coins are worth. You're going to do page 347. If you want to do the next page, you can. The problem solving on page 348. You don't have to do this page if you don't want to, but you have to do this page here and then send me a picture of it when you're done, okay? So have fun counting your coins, and I hope that these videos are helping you. I miss you guys. Bye.